back to my channel and welcome myself back home. If you guys didn't know, I recently just came back from my trip from Manila. It's been about a week, and why is my chair turning? So it's been about a week and I'm finally adjusted back to our time zone. When I came back home, I had about 3 days to kind of get back into the groove of things, you know, jet lag, unpacking, getting ready for work, and just getting back on track. So I'm clearly back on track and I'm ready to show you my Philippines haul. So on this trip, it was mainly a family trip. Didn't really go to too many places. I did go to Boracay, which is another island in the Philippines. We were only there for like 2 days, and I felt like this trip we really just spent a lot of time at home and with the family versus before we would go like everywhere. I mean, we did go to the malls and walked around, but we just didn't go as long and staying out as we usually do. I actually enjoyed this trip a lot more because it was actually more relaxing, and again, just spending a lot of time with family. You can buy some here. I just bought things that I knew we didn't have, like limited edition things or different flavors and scents and just things like that. So I was a little bit mindful of what we purchased because I didn't want to spend too much and bring home like a lot of stuff and things that we could have bought at home. So anyways, I'm just gonna go through some of the things I bought and I hope you guys enjoy this. So we're just gonna get into the first bag here. I actually love going to the Philippines for a number of reasons. They always have the cutest Japanese, Korean trends, snacks, foods, I don't know, teddy bears, stuffed animals, I mean everything. It's so cute. So the last few trips I went, I discovered this Korean store named Mumuso, which is really cute. It's like a Daiso but a Korean store, and that's where I get all my eye patch masks, cute headbands, and a whole bunch of knickknacks. I visit that store like all the time. In addition to the Mumuso, they have a new store called Yoyoso. I guess it's called Yoyoso. We actually have the store in several of the malls that we visit. The first thing I got was this cute little, what is this? A cute little rabbit. It's really small. It fits in both of my hands. I thought it was a pig, but it's actually a bunny. I got this because I have a gray bunny named Levi, and this is kind of like a greenish light blue, so it will do. It's just so soft and plush. I hope my dog doesn't get to this and think it's his toy. So everything here is pretty much random. I just threw everything in these bags. I also got this at another Korean store. It's called Cat. I just love these pastel bright color clips. They're very soft, they're not hard, and it works really well. Let's go ahead and clip this on. It doesn't leave any dents in my hair, which I like, so I kind of like clip my hair like this to do my makeup. I know I look really weird and bald. You can wear them as design clips, whichever way you like, but these are really cute. I bought a whole bunch of these little keychain trinkets. They're like phone holders. Again, they're super soft and plush. I got this white one again from the store called Cat. I got this because tofu is white, and I got these little hamsters and these little macaroon ones. I actually bought a handful of them and I'm giving them away as gifts. These are actually mine. I also got a new Levi. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a Levi a little bit bigger in this size. So I bought another Levi. I originally had one that was a little bit bigger. I bought on Amazon for like $50. Seriously, it was just as soft as this. It was maybe a little bit bigger, like this. The original one that I bought that I lost because he fell off of my backpack hook. I don't know, the clip here got loose and it clipped off of my backpack, which I'm so sad because I spent $50 on that thing. RIP to that guy. I found a replacement, and this one is actually more blue-gray, which is actually closer to Levi's actual hair. So I'm happy that I got this for only 500 pesos. So just to let you know the conversion, every $1 US is $51.50 in pesos. And this one was 449 pesos. Worth the money. Oh, I also got this coin purse, which is a little pineapple, and it has a little fuzzy ball just to hold coins. Bought more hair clips. I bought a coral pinky one, a white pearl, and some black ones. I bought this little eyebrow shaver thing. Probably gonna use it on my upper lip if I have little hairs or under my eyebrows. So just a little sad story. A few days before my trip, I had a lip wax because I have little peach fuzzes around here. It's just easier for me to go on a trip waxing my underarms and a little bit on my upper lips just to have it nice and clean. Especially because we were attending a wedding, I just want to not worry about it. But I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore because after that waxing that same night, I went on my flight to Manila, it was like itching and I kept scratching it, and it was a little warm back at home. So when it's hot and you get like a heat rash and you rub your skin, sometimes it breaks skin not knowing it because it's so warm. And I don't know, my skin was sensitive. I just thought it was extra warm here, so I was itching and scratching, which I thought was a pimple, so I was messing with it and it just became like this little scab. Not the business. So I think these little shavers will work just fine for little hairs on the side. Also from that store, I don't know if I have any more. Oh, here. So also from that store, I bought some really cute, dainty type of rings. This is silver. Oh, they're all silver. I thought I bought some rose gold ones. I bought a few to give to some of my friends, and some I'm gonna wear them. Different sizes. I thought it was just so cute. Ooh, I also got a sponge set. Look how cute this is. Has little eyeballs and a little happy face. And I like how it has expiration dates. It looks like it was packaged in 2018 and it's good until 2023. It was another store where I bought these really cute keychain coin purses. This is a little munchie and a little good luck cat. I got a pig for myself because I thought it was cute and clear with little crystals. A rabbit taking a picture. I actually got a handful of each of these for Christmas presents too. So if you're watching and you know who you are, act surprised. Oh my God, this I have to open. So we went to this store and it's called Tickles. You know those trick toys like trick gums, you see a piece of poop or like vomit. It was that type of store that has like little gadgets and like fun toys and tricks and stuff. Oversized combs. They have like water bottles are like super big, magnets, and just a whole bunch of knickknacks, which was really cool and fun to visit. But I thought it was kind of cool to get like a wide tooth comb, especially with longer hair. It's like easy to comb. I just thought this was really fun and neat. Second bag here. Again, everything is just random in here. We actually went and visit a new spot that we haven't gone to, which is the Power Plant Mall in Makati. It's like a higher end mall, but it's really nice to visit. And we happened to stumble upon a Zara, and I was like, we have to go there because there's probably things that we don't have back at home. I got a backpack. This is actually a kid's backpack, hence these little guys here. I could easily take this off, replace it with one of my trinkets. It has like a coat on here, so it's not super clear transparent, but it's transparent enough, which is really cute. I am such a sporty girl. I love to wear like gym clothes and sneakers all the time if I don't need to dress up for work. I am also a big Nike free girl. My husband got me addicted to these Nike React shoes. The first pair I have, I wore to the Philippines. They're like a nice blush pink color. So at Power Plant, we walked by this place called Commonwealth, and I was like, look at this shoe. You know me, I love my whites, but I also love my bright neon colors. Although they're the same price as back at home, we just don't have these colors. You best believe I got these. Ooh, I forgot I got these little headbands. This is a headband with bunny ears, so they go up this way. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this for myself or maybe gift this to someone. I think I have more. Oh, I have one more. I also got it in a pink blush color. Oh, yes. Okay, so I bought chips and I brought it home. The chips are really hard to travel home with. One, they may get crushed. Two, they expand from just being up in the air. So our carry-ons are only limited to 7 kilos when you're traveling internationally. You best believe my carry-on had precious cargo. Cassavas are my favorite. My mother-in-law makes the best cassava desserts, and I'm just hooked on that because it's sweet enough, but it's not too sweet. You can always make it super sweet, but she just makes it perfect. Once I discovered cassava chips, like in the Asian markets here, hooked. So I came across these salt and vinegar ones, and I also got some spicy ones, and I was like, I'm bringing that back home. I'm actually just gonna try this because I haven't opened any of them. If you guys didn't know, cassava is like a root, you know, a vegetable fruit, and it doesn't have much taste, so you can add things. Oh my God. Once I tore off that corner, I smelt the salt and vinegar so strong. Basically, it's a tasteless root and you can make dessert out of it or a savory snack. I remember. This is so good. I bought 2 packs of these and also 2 packs in the spicy flavor. My eye patches, this is something I always have to buy when I'm there. When I do wedding makeup, skin prep is a must. I apply this on my clients before any makeup application to soften and depuff the skin. This again is a Korean brand. I don't know if it is or not. It has a snail on there, and this has been a trend. The last few trips I went to Manila, I've always bought these. They're just my favorite, hands down. They help to lift, firm, and gives you a nice glow before makeup application. Ooh, I bought this at the Yoyoso store. And you know what? I don't even know if this is my color. When we were checking out, I saw this eyeliner pencil in the front, you know, like the bonus round. I don't even know if this is my color. I just thought that this was such a cute eyebrow pencil with the little crystals. Oh, you best believe it. I went to the face shop and I was so freaking happy. Now, some of the viewers actually commented that they couldn't find the US website that I put on the link down below when I design my eyebrows. And I don't know what's going on, but it's been a while since they didn't have it on their website. So that's why I tell everyone to try to visit their local stores, the face shop. We have probably a few stores here in the Bay Area. I bought a crap load. I mean, I had to because one, it's hard to get. Two, it was buy one, get the second one free. Oh, I didn't buy any refills. I only just bought pencils. Anyways, the pencils are good to buy because the spoolies go bad, and I just like it when it's brand new and firm so it can really brush the hair. So I bought 20. So I went boba crazy and I tried so many different places because we don't have the same chains or companies that the Philippines do. So I was like boboing out. And I got myself a boba straw. This is a metal boba straw and it comes with a tin can. It's brand new, I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna be good to the earth. When I go get a boba, I'm gonna make sure I bring this with me so that way I don't use the plastic or paper straws, because those paper straws suck. I don't know if that's everywhere here yet, but it's like almost everywhere in the Philippines. And I basically feel like I have a 10-minute limit drinking my drink, because after it just sits there for so long, the middle of the sponge just starts to collapse and you can't drink your drink anymore. Metal straw is the way to go. My clip is like hella falling off, so let's just take that off. We went to Boracay Islands for a few days, and there's this place called Bamboo Panda? Oh, Bamboo Shades. And yes, it's gonna be made out of bamboo. The arms of the glasses are bamboo. They're super light, super thin. This actually has like a two-tone. It's like super dark brown and then a lighter brown. You can kind of see the transition, and you're able to personalize it. So we did a leecestylz. This is so lightweight. I got one for my mom. Just love how it matches with my complexion, my hair, my skin. I don't think I have a brown pair of shades. That's why I went for this. They also had my go-to shape, which is the cat eye, but I was like, you know, let's just try something different. So these are definitely handmade. They have little pandas on them. You guys know I love supporting local businesses, and for them to personalize my glasses like this just adds a special place in my heart. Okay, quick story time. My last visit to the Philippines, which was 2017, we went to the mall and came across the sunglass store. It's a place called Sunnies, and they have all these cute glasses, very inexpensive. We actually bought a few glasses that trip. This trip, we didn't buy any. However, they came out with a makeup line. It's called Sunnie Face. Again, it's a Korean trend. They're just coming up with all this stuff, and thank you for that. I bought myself 2 eyebrow products. This is just a regular eyebrow pencil and a spoolie at one end. This is ash brown. This is a great color because I could always mix it with my other brow products. This one here is a very thin eyebrow brush. Look how thin that is. You know what? I'm gonna try this on right now. Is there any product in this? I'm like, I don't even know if there's any product in this. Oh, yes there is, because I just got it all over my face. You guys know the Korean trend, they're very into blushes and like a cushion, very soft. This color here is called Biscuit. It's a really cute kind of corally orange color. They were actually out in a lot of shades, but it's very soft. Look at this. I'm not gonna wear it because I don't want to wear it right now, but look at this. It's so nice because it's a cream, but it becomes like a powdery finish. So I bought 2 lipsticks, and my husband was saying that they're really similar, but in my opinion, it's not. This color here is called Vacay. It's like a nice matte corally orange. Isn't that pretty? I'm so sorry, my hands are so dry right now. This color here is Milkshake. Are they similar? One is more of a rosier and one has more brown. Totally different. They're so pretty. They are a matte finish, but they're so nice. more like a soft velvet. I also got this really cute crop top. Again, you know me and my neons. Zip it all the way down and wear it as a crop top or just like a little open short cardigan. I thought this would be really cute with some high-rise jeans. Last thing that I got from Zara, this yellow trench coat. This is so stinking cute. I love my yellows. I wish this was a little bit more on the mustard side. I don't know if my shirt is too thick for this, but let's try this on. Sorry, but my shirt is bunched up from my sweater. But basically, it's nice and tapered. You guys like how I'm wearing my PJs? So this jacket is really cute to wear with jeans. You could dress it up. I like how there's no buttons or any like sash. Again, the center is just this little hook. It's really flattering at the waistline. There's no slits. I like the details on the sleeves. It has one little button. We also bought a whole bunch of snacks. We have the Philippine brand mangoes covered with chocolate. We have interesting flavored Oreos. We also got some more Philippine brand assorted candies. And mostly these are just gonna be gifts we're giving to the friends and family. Chocolate is just something I love, and there's just like different flavors. One thing I noticed is that they don't have too much caramel. Back at home we have caramel this, caramel that. I was trying to find anything caramel and I couldn't find one thing but this little gold bar. And of course my cassava chips. What's really a big trend is the salted egg fish skin. Ugh, sorry, that's something I won't eat. That's just my husband's snack. He loves his squid. He also bought some chicken skin. We bought a whole bunch of these little hamburgers. We have these back at home, like hot dogs and little mini burgers. But have you guys ever seen this extra large one? Like seriously, this is humongous. What's really cool is that they're all individual, so you can eat the bun first. If you're like me, like to eat the veggies first. All right guys, the last thing. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys may have seen this video. I got a little Zoolander phone. Yes, this is real. I can make calls, I can send text messages. It doesn't have any games, it's super basic. Just no data plan or web access for this. I mean, it's a small basic phone, so they don't have that program for you to do that. So this is a dual SIM, and I have my SIM from Manila, and I can also purchase another SIM in here from the States that I can use when I'm here and back at home. I still have my iPhone, that's my primary phone. This was just a fun buy, a good backup phone or emergency, so here we go. So that was just basically the main things that I bought and I wanted to share with you guys. I haven't had time to go through my footage, which I have a ton of footage, and my husband has some too. That may take a little time. Again, on this trip, we didn't really go out and explore. So I felt like this trip was mainly to be with family and just spending time at home. So I felt like this trip may not have been vlog worthy. I mean, I don't know. I was being antisocial with my vlogging game. I don't know why. I actually did a lot more vlogging behind the camera versus in front and speaking. So I really need to go through the footage. I may just do like a highlight of my trip. I'm not too sure. I just have to go through all my footage. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the video here. Stay tuned as I am filming more holiday videos. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!